Alright, Captain, ready?
Yes.
Okay, parking brakes off. 40%. Let's use the needle. Don't try not to look at the numbers. Okay. Stop. Stabilized. 100%. 100%. Too much. 100% here. Okay, good. Keep your hand here. Alright, airspeed's alive. A bit more to the left. Look at the far point. 80 knots. Very good. Very, very nice. Okay. V1. Both hands. Rotate. Rotate. Pull back gently and keep it at 15 degrees. Good. Very, very good. Alright. Positive rate. Gear up. Alright. Very good. Keep it at 15 degrees. At 1,000 feet. 1,000 feet. Power back to 85%. And the nose at 12.5 degrees. Nose at 12.5 degrees. Alright. Just a little bit more. Very good. Hold it there. So, we look at our heading. Alright. Just small movements because we are very, very close. Small amounts, too much. Just a little bit. Good. And wait for it to come in. Okay. And slowly we turn back to the right. Very good. Coming back to 3,000. Level off at 3,000. At 3,000. Power to 50%. When you see this move, right? Okay, now. Power back to 50%. Good. And lower the nose to 2.5 degrees. 50. Lower the nose to 2.5. Good. Very nice. 2.5. Alright. Let's turn left heading 275. Turn left heading 275. Okay, maintain. Very, very nice. Maintain 20 degrees angle of bang.
How much?
20. Very good. This is very good. Maintain 3,000 feet. Okay, smooth movement. Slowly. Try not to sudden movements. Alright. And I'll do after takeoff checks. Landing lights off. Very good. Okay. Descend 2,500. Now this is a challenge. You turn and descend, but not too much. Be careful, you're turning too much. Just descend. Very good. Watch the rate of descent. Should not be more than 1,000. Okay, not more than 1,000. Very good. Okay, watch the angle of bank. Too much. Too much. Good. Okay, and begin to anticipate. Coming back. Very good. Good anticipation. Alright. Small amounts. Slowly, small amounts. Okay, begin to slowly pull back up. Begin slowly pull back up. And coming in, turn to the right. Slowly. Slowly, too much, too fast. Slowly. And beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Just look at this. Alright, push back 2,500. Push forward slightly. Push forward slightly. Okay, turn back to the right. Very, very good. Very, very nice. Just look at this. 275. Smack in the middle. Alright, slowly. Okay, not to have the rate of descent too fast. Maybe 500 feet per minute because you are very, very close. Okay, slowly. Back to 2.5 degrees. 2.5 degrees is straight and level. See? There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. See, 2,000. Straight 275. Alright. Maintaining 2,500. Okay. Beautiful. Alright. Okay. Challenge. Maintain exactly 2,500. Alright. This is your challenge. You're doing very well. Maintain 2,500. Don't move. No. Plus minus 0. Okay. Just push. Very good. Slightly. Small amounts. Small amounts. Good. Very, very nice. Okay, slowly, anticipate. Okay, slowly, bring it up, slowly, bring it up. Slowly, a bit more. Okay, this is plus minus 10. This is plus minus 10. Very, very good. Okay, you see, doesn't move at all. 2,500. Okay, small amounts. Okay, small amounts. So how to see it? You look at the black dot. As long as the black dot move, you see the nose of the aircraft. As long as it moves, you're going to move. So you keep it there. Okay, so at this position you're descending, right? Okay, slowly bring it up now to the center of the black dot. Hold it there. So if you keep the black dot centered, you will not move. So that is how you look. So very good. So if you want to go down 10, just a small amount forward, small amount, and look. Alright, and okay, almost there, back to the center of the black dot. Very, very good. Okay, hold. Alright, now one more time, descend 2,000. Alright, small amounts, hold it there. Okay, if you keep it 1 degree above the horizon, 1 degree above the horizon. Okay, hold it there because we are very, very close. 1 degree above the horizon. Okay, slightly forward, slightly forward. Just keep it on the horizon at about 500 feet per minute. Continue approach, report on final flight experience 556. Okay, now alright, turn left, heading 095 down to 2000. Okay, not too much your angle of bank, maximum 20 degrees. Alright, okay, good, and slowly anticipate, start to pull back up to 2.5 degrees. Alright, and we are a bit fast, power back down to 40%. Okay, good. Okay, very nice. See, when you power back down, your speed starts to decrease. Alright, continue turning, very good. Try to maintain 2000. Okay, too much. See, your rate of descent is too high. Keep it, you're very close to 2000. Keep it less than 500. Okay, good. Okay, there's the runway there.
You go for left or right?
The left one. Continue turning to the left. Turn more. Okay, 20 degrees is okay, good. Okay, let's try this heading. Let's turn this, maintain this heading first, 080. Okay, level off. Slowly. Good, maintain 2000. Alright. Okay, landing gear down. Right, a bit more to the left. Let's keep this 070. Turn to the left, 070. Good. Alright. Flaps 15. Good, very, very nice. Alright. Keep the nose at 2 degrees. 2 degrees, 2.5 degrees. Up here. Good, hold until this dot comes down here. Okay. A bit too higher, higher. Alright, increase the power. Okay, turn right, turn back to the right. Keep it at 2.5. 2.5. Okay. Nose up. Nose up higher. We are sinking too fast. Alright. Increase a little power. Nose up. 1,000. Okay. Level the wings. Good. Push it forward to 2.5. Okay. Right. 2.5. 2.5. Good. Hold it there. Alright. And okay, turn back to the
Left.
left. Good. Align yourself. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Alright. Flaps. 30. Good. Aim for the runway. Aim for the runway.
Yes, but we're too high.
Aim. Yes. Aim for the runway. Good. Aim for the runway. Good. Push down. Okay. Good. Alright. Aim. Keep the nose at the horizon. At the horizon. 500. Good. Right. One hand here. Same thing. This time around. 100. Bring the power back slowly, and 50.
Yes.
Slowly bring the nose just up
Yes.
a little, and slowly let the rear wheels touch first. Alright. Watch outside. Okay, a bit more to the left. Good. Very good. Align yourself. Okay, power back slowly, and slowly the nose, pull back. This way, okay. Just like this. Good. Okay, push forward now. Beautiful. You see that? Very, very smooth. Use your feet to control. Use the feet. Use the feet a bit more to the left. And get ready to cut the power. Cut the, okay, 70 knots. Good. And use your feet and try to stop the aircraft, and okay, use the tiller and get out of this taxiway here. Apply a little power, just a little power, not more than 30%. Okay, and watch your speed and continue to turn out. Okay, turn. Good. Watch the speed, just be careful of the speed.
17.
And slowly. 17 is good. Okay, on the turn, maximum 15, straight is 25. Okay, and prepare to turn to the left. Okay, now straight is okay, but on a turn, slow down slightly. Good. Okay, the wheel is behind us, so we need to pass over the line, then we turn. Okay, very good. Okay, cut the power, and after we come into, we need to clean up the aircraft. Flaps up, down, up, down, up. Okay, down, up. Yes. Off. Parking brakes on.
Done.
Good job, Captain.
Thank you.
Very good job.
Thank you.